Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to record video on Samsung Galaxy A17. To record video on Samsung Galaxy A17, first you have to go to Camera app. To enter Camera app, press Camera button on the homepage. Also, when the smartphone is locked, you can tap on the camera icon, swipe up, and we are in camera. To take video, select video mode and press button with red dot in the center. You can zoom video in or out. You can enable flashlight, change size, FPS, exposure. You can assign filters and adjust smoothness. In the end, we can change between front and rear camera, and in more you can select Hyperlapse and slow motion mode. If you find the video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.